So once the mechanicals got the system built to their liking, we had our electronics mounted to the electronics plate and everything was in place and hooked up correctly. It was time for the moment of truth. And we were eager to see if we could power everything up at one time and nothing explode. The goal was to power up the system using the Raspberry Pi and the actual code that the system would run on once it was completed, and not rigged to something that we were doing for testing. So you can hear how excited we were when it actually powered up.
Like 2 seconds.
So the screen said we were powered up, but of course, as electrical engineers, we had to pull out Old Faithful, the multimeter, to check. And he's checking to make sure that when we turned the system on, there's actually voltage across those resistors, which meant the system was heating up the way that it should. Test number 38.
3, 2, 1. Right.
What's the one though? It is.
Oh, shit. Go. Test on.
And we had the resistors mounted on the bottom of these metal plates so that the heat was closer to the fan and the fan could push the heat out into the rest of the system. Of course, even though we were excited in this moment, we had a lot more tests to run with all of the buttons and the front panels and the switches and the alarm, but this was a huge milestone and we were one step closer to Expo.